You made a video and you uploaded it, or you made a live video and you want to edit a particular session, or you want to even cut out an entire session in your video, you can do it directly on YouTube. So if that is what you're interested in, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do that in this particular video. Hi everyone, welcome back to How To Hub. In this particular video, I want to show you how to edit your video on YouTube. If you are new here, do well to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And for the old subscribers, thank you so much for joining. All right, let's go into the video. All right, so when you open your YouTube, youtube.com, you ensure that you are logged in into the channel where you have your video. All right, if you are not on that channel, make sure you log in there. So after you are on that particular channel, ensure that you move to YouTube Studio. All right, click on your YouTube Studio. You can only edit on your YouTube Studio. So when you have your YouTube Studio, it's going to come up with something like this. Then you go to your content, all right, to see all the videos that are available. You go to your content to see all the videos that are available. So currently these are the videos I have here. These are the videos I have here. So next I want to click on live. All right, so because the video I want to edit is a live video, so I want to click on live. So when you click on live, you can now decide to choose the particular video you want to edit. You can choose on the particular video you want to edit. So you can click on this detail. All right, this pencil here, click on it. All right, so when you click on it, I mean, if you want to change the title, you want to change this, but in particular, we want to edit the video. So here you scroll down and look for editor. So when you click on it, when you click on your editor, it's going to load this interface for you. And on this interface, you can do, look at it here, you can trim, you can blur particular aspect, you can use, maybe you want to add a background sound to it. All right, you can choose from the audio library. So you can choose from, the songs you have here. If you have any song in particular that is on the YouTube audio library, right? Let me play this so that
I don't think so.
Alright, so if you love this particular song, then you can add it as a background sound. So that's not basically what we want to do in here. I will go back, but I want to cut and edit. So for example, if you want to cut a particular aspect here, so the first thing you may want to do, if you are familiar with video editing, I mean, it's going to be pretty easier for you to use this. I mean, this is just for basic editing. So basically, anytime I have something like this, I will try to zoom so that I can see the timeline here. All right, so I will make sure that I can decide to play it, right? Then, but I will make sure that this particular, thing here is at the beginning of where I want to cut. Say here now. Then, if it is here, then I'm going to click on New Cut. All right. Now, when I choose on New Cut, it's going to choose about 8 minutes or thereabout. But what I want to cut is on this particular edge here. So I'm going to check the time here. It says 030407. So I'm going to come here, change this to 03. So let's just say 030314, right? Then I'm going to click here. So this particular place, if I decide to play this sound here, so let me play it, the video rather. If I play this video, all right, you can see that it has edited out that particular session. So when you are done editing or cutting out the session you want to leave out, I mean, so for example, if you want to cut out another session, all right, you come here, all right, then you click on New Cut. Make sure you are starting from the beginning of the session, then you cut, then towards the end, then you do the same thing again. All right, so when you are done with all the things you want to do, ensure you click on Save. All right, ensure you click on Save. With that, you will be able to save your progress so far. All right, so that is basically how you can edit your video, especially if you have a live video and you waited for people to join for about a few minutes, and you want to remove that so that when people go back to watch the playtime, they will have something short and straight to the point that they can watch. You can definitely do it like this. All right, so I hope this video helps. If it does, do well to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, my name is John. God bless you.